Hello everyone, so welcome to our Unity short lives. Today I'm talking to you guys to our short rooms and to seek out the popular items, outdoors analog Awning tents. When you get it, you will find it was very painted, and with it, you will be very easy. For Admanos Awning tents, first one for the products housing designs. Complete all the ordinary PVC cover materials. Emerald materials is modifier and durable. And now we will fly close to test it. So the requisite is nowhere easy to destroy it. And now we were using the cut to sketch it test it. So we also can look it is also not easy to destroy it. And for the PVC cover materials, and we will sketch it testing. So we can see it will be some sketch in the materials. Next one for the high quality waterproof fiber. When you're driving and going camping with your families, and whatever the weather, it's the short and the rain, no matter how big the sun is in the outdoor camping. Now we will open the analog Awning tent. After applying the materials, supporting rods made of the ornamental trellis style is more touch than the battle before. For ornamental Awning tents, the best first one good qualities for the product's housing design. Completes all the ordinary PVC cover materials. Ornamental materials is modifier and durable. Okay, everybody, and today we introduce over aluminum Awning tent. And if you have anything interesting in 4x4 accessories, you can send a message to us. We will see you next time. Bye bye.